Good day once again. You are welcome to Say Your Busy Made It Easy channel, the only channel in Ghana exam fears. Today, our lesson, quickly, we are going to have a lesson on substitution. Substitution. I know we are familiar with the word substitution. In football, substituting players, exchanging one player for the other. Now, in mathematics and the algebra, normally we use variables for unknown values we don't know. So when numbers are given to you to replace a variable, in simple terms, that's what we call substitution. So an example, like when we have maybe A plus B, when A is 3 and B is 4, it means that they've given you the values of A and B. You have to put it back into the expression. So this one, replacing A with a 3 will give us 3. Replacing the B with a 4 will give us 4, which will give us 7. This is substitution. Now the same A, 3, B, 4, we can have another expression that 2A plus 2B. When we want to replace it by 2, 2 is multiplying the A. And we've been giving the A as 3 and the B as 4. So you multiply the 2 by the 3 given and these 2 by the 4 given. So 2 times 3 giving us 6, 2 times 4 giving us 8. When you add 6 plus 8, you are going to get 14. So basically, this is how substitution is. So without wasting my time, let's take a complete question, or let's take a simple question on substitution. So as the question has been posted on the screen, it's able to find Q. So if Q is equal to UT plus 1 on 2 FT, we should find Q when U is 20, T is 10, and F is 15. Substitution. They've given us this expression, and they have given us the values of U, T, and F. So we have to replace these letters with the inside expression. So quickly, now we have Q is equal to, now UT means these two letters are multiplying. They are close. They are multiplying. And we have U, which is 20, times the T, which is 10, plus half F was given as 15, times also multiplying the T as 10. So Q will give us 20 times 10 will give us 200. Plus, now we have half FT. So we have 15 times 10. So which of these two numbers can 2 easily divide? It is 10. So we cross out this 1, then this one giving us 5. So now what do we have here? We have 1 times 15 times 5. So our Q will be equal to 200 plus 1 times 15 is 15. 15 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 remainder 2. 5, 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So 75. Now our final answer Q will be equal to 200 plus 75, which will give us 275 as our final answer. So this is how this substitution question is being solved. Let's quickly take another question for more understanding. So given that A is 2, B is equal to 3, we have to evaluate this. 2 brackets closer. There is a binomial expansion. 2 binomials, multiplication of 2 binomials. So now we substitute in A and B into the variables we see. So this one will be 2 times 2 plus 3. Bracket close, bracket open. The A is 2 here minus 2, B is 3. Then the bracket close. Now in this bracket, we have 4, 2 to 4 plus 3. Bracket open again. Now 2 minus 2, 3 will give us 6 equals 4 plus 3 is 7. Bracket close. 2 minus 6 will be negative 4. So it's equal to 7 times negative 4 will give us negative 28. So when substituting the A and the B into the bracket, this is going to be our final answer. Now let's take a last question on substitution. Now let's take our last question on this as posted on the screen. S is equal to n over 2 bracket open 2a plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close d bracket close. Now a was given as 3, b was given as 4, and n was given as 10. Substitution. So our s is equal to the n was 10. So 10 on 2 bracket open 2 times the a was 3 plus n is 10 minus 1 times this 4 bracket close. Now as we all know, we've done board mass, so always make sure you solve the one in the bracket. The board mass approach works here. Now 2 times 3 is 6 plus 10 minus 1 will be 9. This 4 is multiplying the element here, so you make sure you maintain the bracket here to be able to multiply. So now we have eliminated this bigger one, we've gotten a simpler bracket here. So we have 6, 10 on 2. Now bracket open 6 plus 9 times 4 is 36. So we have eliminated the smaller bracket, now we have the bigger bracket. Now our s is equal to 10 on 2. Bracket open 6 plus 36, which will give us 42. Give us 42. Now, outside the bracket, 10 over 2. So, 10 over 2 times 42. 2 divided itself 1, it will divide here 5. Now, our s is equal to 5 times 42. So, our s is equal to 42 times 5. 5 2 will give us 10, 0 remainder 1. 5 4 20 plus 1 21. So our s is equal to 210. So this complex question, this time we've made it simple for every student to understand. If you have any question, you leave it in the comment section. If you have other challenging topics, you can leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Recommend to all students, all GHS students, all SHS students to subscribe to have more understanding in mathematics. Till we meet again, we say goodbye for now. Bye bye.